To change your roll on a Jolly JH8 gun, what we need to do is grab a new roll from the packet, and we need to remove one layer and discard this. We can leave the labels on this backing paper, and what you can do is put a slight crease through the middle to make it stiff, to make it easier. And then we need to open 3 bits. So first one is this, opens like this, which is where the roll sits. Secondly, we need to open the bottom, and this opens near the handle and out. And then the third one is this black plastic with the gold roller that opens like that. And then basically we need to get the labels through that gap that you can see there. Now, the labels need to go face up through the gun, through that big hole like so. So it comes out the bottom there. Then this goes onto here, onto this cradle, and you can close that. Pull these labels through. And then what you want to do is press down on this black plastic here and pull on this until it clicks into place. And you can feel that that's tight. And you can lay this down flat and close this, and then it will work.